What are the challenges of being an insurance agent? I started an insurance agency from scratch in 2006, and the challenges are many and they are always changing. That said, I love my job and enjoy the challenges along the way. I am an Allstate agent in Florida, so the majority of my agency is P&C, with life insurance and investments as well. The biggest challenge, like most businesses, is probably staffing. Of course, if you find and develop the right people, this makes the job that much easier. I've personally gone back and forth on this particular topic, and I generally opt for less insurance experience when hiring, as it can be difficult to untrain bad habits from other agencies that don't have the same focus on customer service that we have at our agency. Another key challenge is rate competitiveness, especially given the fact that insurance is viewed by many as a standard commodity. However, this is not really the case, but it is the general assumption that a growing number of people believe. Having a good mix of qualified companies is important if you're an independent agent, but even as a captive agent, with Allstate, if the rates are simply competitive, you can earn the respect and loyalty of most of your customers. Prior to opening an agency, there are a number of additional factors I would strongly consider. In addition to the choice between captive and independent, I would thoroughly review the choice of starting from scratch versus buying a current agency's book of business. Having started from scratch, I can say that it is very difficult to have no immediate cash flow, whereas a purchased book of business provides an immediate stream of cash flow, which can make the transition a bit easier. The downside is that you're inheriting a collection of customers with little true understanding of their prior experience and loyalty to the original agents. Finally, an ever-present challenge is simply the continuing shift towards a direct model of insurance, where customers simply purchase their policies directly from the companies. Geico and Progressive have probably been the most successful with this model up to now. Generally, the quality of insurance is much less through the direct model, mostly because the end consumer chooses their policy specifics with little in-depth knowledge about the real risks and situations they are likely to encounter. For example, when I ask a prospect about their current insurance coverage, the most common answer is either, "I don't know," or, "I have full coverage with a $500 deductible, I think." In the end, if done correctly, running an insurance agency can be very rewarding on a variety of levels. My final few recommendations are: know the products extremely well, manage your cash flow well, hire and train your staff, monitor the competitive landscape constantly, and choose a good location, preferably in an area that is growing, as new home buyers are generally your best new prospects and customers. The insurance industry is a fantastic business opportunity that enables you to serve different client base across the globe. But as the industry is evolving at a faster pace, so are the challenges that insurance agents are facing. Being a dedicated insurance agent, you should be aware of these challenges and develop comprehensive strategies for the same. Here are some of the common challenges faced by insurance agents these days. 1. The industry belongs to the soft market. The commercial insurance market has been soft for the past 19 years now. However, there are speculations the market is hardening in a certain process that includes commissions and premiums, which is enforcing agents to change their strategies. 2. The sector is growing slow. Annual agency growth slumped to 1% in 2010 from a high of 12.5% in 2006, although it has since recovered. S&P forecast an average 3% to 5% growth in 2018. 3. M&A is the best option. Merger and acquisition have become an ideal option in the soft market of insurance, regardless of the agency's size. As per reports, the insurance agency's M&As has grown over the year up to 31% in 2017 and will continue to grow. How can you overcome the challenges? Improve sales campaigns. Opt for outsourcing services to simplify processes. Enhance customer satisfaction through self-service. Optimize data-driven KPIs. If you're looking for a reliable insurance service provider that can help you with back-office tasks, then get in touch with Insurance Support World. There are many challenges to being an insurance agent. One is trying to get ahead of any technological change, be in the present to quickly move and be agile to ensure it. The agent is not only trying to do their job but create value, keep up on their books, all while trying to be forward-facing, setting aside time for continuing education and stay afloat in the changing industry dynamics. It can be a lot sometimes.